Hi, I'm Eric Engel, a Seattle bankruptcy attorney with the Engel Law Group here in Seattle, Washington. If you find that your home is underwater, there are three things that you're going to want to do. The first thing you're going to want to do is decide whether or not you're going to want to keep the property. If you want to keep the property, you're going to go down one track versus if you don't want to keep the property. Now, if you want to keep the property, what you're going to want to do is call the mortgage company and see if you can qualify for a loan modification. Now, this might be a case where they will actually reduce the amount of money that you owe to the bank. Third, you need to consult with the bankruptcy attorney, because if your loan modification isn't granted, or you have a second mortgage or a third mortgage, you might be able to qualify to have those second and third mortgages removed from your home. So in other words, you could get away with owning your home without even paying the second or third mortgage. Now, if you want to get rid of your property and you don't want to keep it, then one thing that we suggest that you do is call the bank up and tell them you want to do a deed in lieu of foreclosure. What this means is you're essentially handing them the deed and giving them back property in exchange for not going through the foreclosure process. We deal with these sort of issues every day. If you find yourself in a situation where your home is underwater and you're trying to figure out what to do, pick up the phone and give us a call. I'm Eric Engel. Thank you for watching our video.